In a world of chaos, one hero must emerge who can vanquish any task. On the journey of a lifetime filled with perils.
This is my daughter, Ella. Sometimes Ella has a hard time focusing. Now let's create an epic warrior for Ella so she can earn points, upgrade her character, and incentivize her to follow the rules and complete tasks.
What epic warrior do you want to be?
A warrior princess!
Now let's give Ella a quest and see how she does.
Ella, you have an epic quest.
What is it?
You have to read your favorite book for 10 minutes.
Now let's see how Ella did on her quest.
I finished my quest!
What did you do?
I finished my book! I finished my quest!
You get 100 points!
Now how about those toys she messed up earlier?
Ella, your epic quest is for stamina. It's worth 200 points. You must pick up your toys as quickly and neatly as you can. Go!
5 minutes later.
I picked up all my toys!
All right, now you get your points.
Hi, my name is Christopher, and the app that you just witnessed is called Epic Win. I recently researched apps and websites to help an individual named Evan, who is an 8-year-old boy in the 1st grade. Evan has attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and as a result has a difficult time focusing in class unless the subject is really interesting to him or made to be interesting and interactive. Evan is bullied in school and has a hard time trusting his peers and making friends. His interest includes reading books, playing video games, playing team sports like basketball, football, baseball, or playing at the park, or participating in Boy Scouts, or going to the movies. By using the app Epic Win, Evan will be able to learn social standards, complete homework, and focus during class, all while playing a game and building powerful epic warrior. Let me show you how Epic Win works so you can try it for yourself.
Tap the pencil icon in the top left corner. Tap on the Do Something area and write in the quest you wish your child to do. Then tap on the Experience button to change the points. After you've written in the quest, given the points, and chosen the feat, tap on the OK button in the top right corner. To complete the quest, just tap on the icon on the right-hand side where the quest is, and the points will be added. The first icon on the bottom left corner is quests. The second one shows the quests that you have completed. The third icon shows your profile and how far you've gone. The fourth shows the loot that you have gotten, which you can see by tapping on the top left corner. And as you can see, there are a lot of things you can earn. And the last one is for your options, which include sound, journal, to clear quests completed, a manual of how to use the app, a list of who made the app, and backup just in case you want to back up, and a weekly reminder is also an option.
With the app Epic Win, which is free through Google Play, Evan, who loves video games, will love building his character, getting points for things like paying attention at school for intellect points, making new friends for social points, cleaning up his mess for stamina points, helping others for spirit points, or vacuuming for strength points. The options are really endless. For a fun way to accomplish a multitude of tasks, create an awesome character, and give motivation, Epic Win is a great way to go.